Hi there. In this quiz you have 12 questions all about phrasal verbs. Each question has a sentence with one word missing. You have to choose which word is missing from the list. You have about 5 to 6 seconds to do this before you hear a bell, and then I give you the correct answer. If you repeat after me, this will help you remember the phrasal verb and improve your pronunciation. After each question, you will be given a brief explanation of the meaning of the phrasal verb. If you need more time, don't forget to press the pause button. Okay, let's go with number 1. If you're too hot, take off your jacket. Number 2. I always feel nervous when the plane takes off. Number 3. A lot of people take up golf when they retire. Number 4. You need to take out insurance when you buy a car. Number 5. He really takes after his dad in both looks and character. Number 6. He's always busy because he takes on so much work. Number 7. The business was taken over by a large American company. Number 8. He was so charming, she took to him straight away. Number 9. The trousers are too long, so I'll need to take them up. Number 10. Thousands of people were taken in by the computer scam. Number 11. She's really nice. I don't know why you've taken against her. And finally, number 12. was quite a lot to learn. Did you take it all in?